Imagine a place in space where gravity is so powerful that nothing can escape. Not even light. This mysterious object is called a black hole. Black holes are among the strangest and most fascinating objects in the universe. Black holes usually form when a very large star reaches the end of its life. For millions of years, stars produce energy by burning fuel in their cores. But eventually, this fuel runs out. When that happens, the star can collapse under its own gravity. If the star is large enough, it shrinks into an extremely small and dense object. This process can create a black hole. Around every black hole is a boundary called the event horizon. Scientists often call this the point of no return. If anything crosses this boundary, it cannot escape the black hole's gravity. Even light cannot come back once it passes the event horizon. One of the strangest things about black holes is what happens to time. According to the theory of general relativity, developed by Albert Einstein, time can slow down near very strong gravity. This means that near a black hole, time may pass more slowly than it does on Earth. Another strange effect is something scientists call spaghettification. When an object falls toward a black hole, gravity pulls much harder on the closer side of the object than on the farther side. This difference in gravity can stretch objects into long, thin shapes, like strands of spaghetti. Even though black holes cannot be seen directly, scientists can still detect them. Gas and dust near a black hole can be pulled toward it. As this material moves closer, it spins very fast and becomes extremely hot. This creates a bright ring of light around the black hole. Many galaxies contain enormous black holes at their centers. In the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, there is a huge black hole called Sagittarius A star. It has a mass millions of times greater than the Sun. Scientists have also discovered something surprising about black holes. In 1974, the physicist Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes may slowly lose energy over time. This idea is called Hawking radiation. According to this theory, black holes may slowly shrink and eventually disappear after an extremely long time. Some scientists have even suggested that black holes might be connected to mysterious tunnels in space called wormhole. These tunnels could possibly link different parts of the universe. However, this idea is still only a theory. In 2019, scientists captured the first image of a black hole using a worldwide network of telescopes called the Event Horizon Telescope. The image showed a glowing ring of hot gas surrounding a dark shadow in space. Even today, black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. They challenge our understanding of space, time, and gravity. As scientists continue to study these strange objects, we may discover even more surprising secrets hidden in the darkest corners of the cosmos.